Special thanks to this company for sending us a Flame Fireplace Aroma Diffuser. This is just the box that it came in. There's the sticker on the side, essential oil diffuser, 300 milliliters. Let's open it on up. Oh, there's the operating instructions. The adapter is placed in the product water tank. Okay, take this out. Get it from here. That's it for the box. And so there's the front where it looks like a fireplace. That's really cool. And then that's how you get into the water tank, which is where the little proprietary power adapter is. It can also be used as a humidifier. So we're gonna plug it up and show you what it looks like and give it a go. All right, so we have this all hooked up here. We're gonna add some water to the top. Put our lid back on, and then all of our buttons are here on the front. So the power, look at that.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Turn off the living room lights. And so there's two different levels of vapor, and then there's also a 2-hour and 4-hour limit. But that's essentially what it looks like, all hooked up. Would look really nice in your house to diffuse the oils and make your house smell good. Thanks again to the company for sending this to us. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.